This is some comedy.
This is some great banter. Really is.
Really is.
Really is.
Niggas making me burn, baby.
I got him. It's fine. It was a good trade. It was a good trade. Good trade, you know? Oh.
Don't blast twice.
Thanks for the 6.
Get out. Come here.
Go to the
And
suicide.
there goes the some more.
That's what they call it.
Probably on site. Calm down. What the fuck are you doing?
I just got a butterfly knife! I'm not even joking!
Oh my god.
A butterfly knife's case hardened.
Oh my god, is it blue gems?
I don't know, and I got it on footage too. Fuck yes!
Let's see.
Nice.
See, I'm gonna look in his inventory.
If it's blue gem, that's worth like.
Ooh.
Fuck you!
Oh my god!
Hang on, I'm gonna.
It's minimal wear.
Oh my god,
Who
yes.
just unlocked the knife?
Wow. I can see it in his
I don't think
inventory.
I have it on my friends list.
That's
Cry.
fuck.
I need to check this.
How much is it? Fuck off.
I think he
Like
just
$10? No.
He just
Oh,
rage
he
quit.
does. Oh.
Yeah, it's in his inventory.
Oh my
Wow!
god.
Ouch, that's so cool.
How much is it, Brody?
And that's what happens when you spend $100 on cases in one day.
Fucking.
Fucking
How
worth.
much did you? How much
Better
did you
hope
sell
it's worth
for it?
more than
How much
100,
is
bro.
Don't
How much
sell
is
it.
it
See how much
worth?
blue it's got on it. Because if you can do it, you can trade
Yeah.
that for better shit.
It is
It's
worth $160.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I made my
Is
money
it,
back.
Like, decent blue?
How much blue you got on it?
Little spots here and there. It's mostly yellow
Oh, like gold.
It's actually gold.
or gold yellow.
You should
whatever.
rotate out towards A.